The software client has two principal interfaces, layouts and settings. If you create any camera within the VMS, the layouts interface becomes visible. The layouts interface contains the following elements: camera search panel, video walls management panel, layouts panel. You can hide the upper panel. To do so, click the pin button in the top right corner. Now, the top panel will only appear when you hover the mouse pointer over it. To collapse the client while in full screen mode, press this button. The camera search panel is used to find cameras and display their status. Click the search bar to display all cameras on your domain. To search for a specific camera, enter its full name or part of it into the search bar. Open the Objects panel by clicking this button. This panel contains cameras connected to all servers within the domain, as well as their inputs, such as sensors and outputs, such as relays. The object tree can be displayed on the panel by layouts, groups or servers. You connect multiple physical displays to your VMS. The Video Walls Management panel is automatically displayed at the top of the screen. Layouts can be created, edited, or deleted in the context menu. Select the required view grid type to create a layout. Then add cameras and panels and save the result. Layouts with alarmed and selected cameras can be created using the corresponding buttons. You can create any number of layouts. The newly created layouts automatically appear on the panel. Double-click the name of the layout to edit it. You can resize windows on screen using dedicated buttons. The Alarms panel is at the top of the screen, hidden by default. To open the panel, click the Alerts panel button. This panel is activated only when the system registers an alarm. You can see and manage alarm events here. To receive alarm events automatically, please activate Alarm Initiation in Detection Tools settings. Within a layout, camera windows are displayed in 3 different modes: live, playback, and search. You can see whether the camera's video is being recorded. A red R is displayed in the top right corner if recording is in progress. In the Camera Settings menu, you can zoom or pan the image, or adjust its brightness and contrast. Depending on your user rights, you can also select one of the 2 arming modes. ARM in private mode differs from simple ARM mode, in that private mode footage will not be accessible to users with live in ARM mode access. If armed, the border around the camera turns yellow. Select the Show Tracking option to display object trajectories. Make sure that the Object Tracking function is activated in the Detection Tools tab. The bell icon is used to manually activate an alarm on the camera. If an alarm is triggered, the camera automatically appears in the Alert panel. You have to select the archive for the camera to enable alarm events recording. If you pick a camera on the alarm panel or click the bell icon again, you can resolve an alarm by selecting one of three statuses: true, suspicious, or false. Depending on alarm handling settings, you may need to add a comment. Later, while viewing the archive, you will be able to search videos by their status and comments. To freeze the video image, click the time indicator in the top right corner. It turns into a snowflake icon and you get a freeze frame. The border around the camera tile with this snapshot will then turn blue. If recording is in progress, you can add a text comment to the snapshot. Now you know how to work with layouts.